Hi, welcome to our broadcast. My name is Meredith.
My name is Loki.
My name is Miles.
My name is Gabby.
We are going to be teaching you about hurricanes. We are starting with what is a hurricane. A hurricane is a huge storm. It can be up to 600 miles across and have strong winds spiraling inward and upward at speeds 75 to 200 miles per hour.
Hurricanes are energy, heat, and warm ocean waters. The center of the storm or eye is the calmest part.
Hurricanes have sustained winds of at least 75 miles per hour in an area of low air pressure called the eye.
Hurricanes rotate in the counterclockwise direction around in the eye in the northern hemisphere and clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere.
Hurricane season is June 1st to November 30th.
Hello, my name is Ethan, and today we're talking about the parts of a hurricane.
My name is Michael.
My name is Aubrey.
My name is Caden.
The eyeball is around the outside of the eye, but it's made out of very heavy clouds. Its part is usually between 5 and 30 miles wide. The heaviest rainfall and strongest wind usually occurs within the eye wall.
A rain band is a large sparring band of rain. The rain bands are located around the eye wall and consist of dense clouds with lots of rainfall and thunderstorms. They make the hurricane look like a pinwheel and spin inwards toward the center of the storm.
Hurricanes can become huge storms. The diameter is measured from one side to the other. Hurricanes have a span it's over 600 miles.
The eye is at the center of a hurricane. The height is storm clouds that power hurricanes, and those are the parts of a hurricane.
Hi, my name is McKenna.
Hi, my name is Hunter.
Hi, my name is Keenan.
We will be telling you about what hurricanes are called in different parts of the world.
In the Indian Ocean, hurricanes are called cyclones.
In Southwest Asia, they're called typhoons.
In North America and the Caribbean, they are called hurricanes.
Hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons are the same type of storms.
The different names depend on where the storm takes place.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I want to introduce you to Geo, Blake, and Jacob. We are going to talk to you about how hurricanes form. Let's give it up for Geo, Blake, and Jacob.
Hurricanes usually form in the tropical zones north and south of the equator, where warm waters often ample fuel for storm formation.
Air sinks into the clear center or eye, which can be from 5 miles or more than 100 miles across.
It is enough when the cycle will continue and the storm clouds will grow, causing a hurricane to form.
Hurricanes form over the warm ocean water of the tropics. When warm moist air over the water rises, the cooler air is replaced. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes big, huge storm clouds to form. These storm clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the earth, forming an organized system. If there is enough warm water, the cycle will continue, and the storm clouds and the wind speeds will continue and causing a hurricane to form. Thank you for watching how hurricanes form.
Hi, my name is Landon, and today I'm joined by
Lily,
Jordan, and Brennan.
and today we're talking about hurricane categories.
Tropical cyclones are categorized according to the speed of sustained winds.
There are 5 categories on the scale which are based on wind speed. Category 5 is reserved for the strongest hurricane.
The slowest category is 74 to 95 miles per hour.
The second category
Speed is 96 to 110 miles per
The
hour.
third category is 111 to 129 miles per hour.
The fourth category speed is 130 to 156 miles per hour.
The fastest speed is category 5, which is 157 or higher miles per hour.
A tropical depression is a tropical wave that begins spinning around a center of low pressure. It's called a tropical depression. The wind speed is 38 miles per hour or less.
A tropical storm is given a name once the maximum winds reach 74 miles per hour or greater. The storm becomes a hurricane.
Hi, My name is Maddie.
My name is Anna.
My name is Carson.
And my name is Keegan.
We are going to show you how to predict a hurricane.
Let's give it up for Keegan and Carson.
Meteorologists use weather tools to predict hurricanes.
Here's Anna and Maddie to show you those weather tools.
This tool is a barometer. What a barometer does is that measures air pressure.
This tool is a wind vane. It tells which direction the wind of a hurricane is heading.
June 1st through November 30th is when hurricane season happens.
The radar is a super important tool to predict hurricanes.
The anemometer measures wind speed so you know how fast a hurricane is.
The thermometer measures the temperature of a hurricane.
This is how to predict a hurricane.
We are going to talk about hurricane damage today. First, we're going to talk about heavy rains and high winds. Heavy rains causes floods, and high winds cause house damage. Storm surges can cause power lines to fall, which cause fires, and tornadoes cause deadly damage.
Hi, we will be talking about storm surge. Water can rise above the sea.
Flooding is caused by storm surge when wind pushes water ahead of the storm.
Level storm surge can cause damage to houses, cars, and anything that gets in its path.
Here are some safety tips, ideas for hurricane. Phone an emergency kit. I make a family plan. Help your parents bring in outdoor items like garbage cans. These things can be lifted and blown away in the storm. Be safe. Thanks for watching.
Hello, this is Julie, and I'm going to be talking about hurricane safety during the storm. During the storm, do not open a fridge or you might lose power. Thank you, Julie. Well, hurricanes can throw glass doors and windows off the hinges. And don't go outside when the wind and rain stops, because that is the eye of the storm. It will start again. Hurricanes can also rip off refrigerators and walls. One more thing, always be safe. Thank you. These are some tips for after a hurricane. This is the first tip. Do not go outside without a grown-up. Tip number 2 is do not go near any dangling wires. Tip number 3 is do not drink water from a faucet unless your parents say it's okay. Tip number 4 is tell your parents if you smell gas. Now Karis is going to show you a picture. Of some damage from it. This is some of the damage that Hurricane Matthew caused. I will be talking about how to stay safe during an evacuation. This is how you stay safe during an evacuation. First, you stay alert to storm advisors by using your route. Use travel routes specified by local authorities. Do not get on the road without a place to go.
Hi, I'm Joey. I will be talking about evacuation. Evacuation is when a hurricane comes and people start to pack up their things so they can stay safe. Evacuation happens a lot when storms happen because everybody needs to be safe.
Hello,
this is live from Hurricane Donna on November 17th.
Its wind have reached 460 miles per hour.
And since it's reached North Carolina, its eyes become from 50 to 80 miles wide.
It's over now, and it has made a record. Hurricane Donna has lasted for 17 days.
Hello? Really? Goodbye. The bills are in. Hurricane Donna has costed $6.6 billion.
We're here live in Louisiana with Hurricane Katrina. Hurricane Katrina is forcing more than 800,000 people to leave their homes.
Katrina is the most expensive U.S. hurricane, with so far estimated $81 billion.
Flooding is leading to 80% of the city New Orleans to depth above 15 feet.
Overall, 1,800 people lost their lives.
The effects of Katrina can still clearly be seen 5 years after the storm will make landfall.
Katrina is one of the largest hurricanes in U.S. history.
Have you ever heard of Hurricane Andrew? Well, now you do.
We're going to tell you how much it costs to repair.
It cost $2.5 million to repair the damage.
How fast are the winds?
They were 175 miles per hour.
Hurricane Sandy made landfall on October 22nd. It also destroyed at least 650,000 homes and caused power outages. Hurricane Sandy caused 3 feet of snow. It made $50 to $70 billion in damage. Hurricane Sandy caused 147 deaths.
Hello, my name is Professor White.
And my name is Professor Bell, and we are here to tell you who cleans up after a hurricane. The American Red Cross cleans up after a hurricane. After a hurricane, the Red Cross works with community partners to provide hot meals, snacks, and fresh water. They're for supplies.
Emergency supplies could include tarps, rakes, shovels, and trash bags to help people clean up their homes and return back to normal.
See you soon.
See you soon.